Let's cut some hair today. If you're new here, my name is Niara Alexis, and as you can see, I'm going to be trimming my ends myself. I am a kitchen beautician in the sense that I am not trained at all. I've just kind of picked this up and learned it as I went. I've always trimmed my ends myself since I started doing my hair on my own since I was about 18. And this is what works for me. Some might argue that it doesn't work for me, and you are entitled to your opinion, but I get questions about it, so I thought I would do a video showing you guys how I do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, oh, there's hair on my lip. My name is Niara Alexis, and today I'm gonna be trimming my hair and I'm gonna show you how I do it myself. I do just want to preface this by saying I'm nobody's professional. I call myself a kitchen beautician for a reason. I'm not in the kitchen, but basically I'm self-taught. I do my hair to my liking, to my standards. So first off, I'm just out of a set of braids. I just took out my first set of braids from braid season. I want to give my hair a good trim. I do feel like it grew a bit, but I want to trim it up a bit because one thing that I feel like people have a really big misconception about is that your split ends can travel up the hair shaft while they are in a protective style. The first thing I like to do is address like this bottom layer of my hair, and I'm looking at the split ends. So I like to comb my hair straight down. I'm just using a regular little comb. And actually, before I do that, because this is usually like the healthiest part of my hair, it's like more blunt, I'm actually gonna like put this away. I actually have to be fast about this because I have to be somewhere in a little bit. But I'm gonna, like, I clip that away. Do you see? And like I said, this is not a professional. Like, the stylist is probably watching this and like, girl, y'all see how I do it myself. That's how I do it. Okay, so I'm gonna start on this side, holding my hair up. The thing that's really important is you want to make sure you get your interior. So if I hold up a piece of paper, happen to have one handy for you guys, that is not good. That is not gusta. Okay, where the hair gets thick is where I want to cut it off at. So let's start cutting. I can't talk through this because, like I said, I got somewhere to be, so we're probably just gonna do a voiceover now. And we're done just like that. It took me like 2 seconds. I didn't cut off too much. I didn't do a full cut. My goal with my hair is to get these front pieces back down to here. So I want to make sure I'm staying on top of trimming them. I know it might seem like counterintuitive, but I just want to make sure like they're staying healthy. And like right now, if you look at them, let's hold the piece of paper up. They're thick all the way to the end for the most part. There's like some questionable pieces right here. I'll probably trim that when I come home. But like this part specifically that I'm like most like I need you to grow out. It's thick all the way to the end, which is what I want. I want that hair to be full at the ends, so that you have like some thick ends that are gonna grow out. So that was really quick. If you've been trying to trim your ends on your own at home, I will say the biggest piece of advice I can give you is to get a good pair of hair shears. I will have these ones I purchased off of Amazon, link down below. I want to say they were maybe $30–40. You do not want to be using regular kitchen scissors on your hair or just arts and crafts scissors on your hair, because you can actually do more damage to your hair if you are using the wrong type of shear. And also, when you get your hair shears, this is only for hair. Don't be popping tags with it. I'm guilty of it too. Don't be cutting tags, cutting the baby's construction paper. Don't be doing that stuff. Only use this for hair. So these stay in my room. I also, okay, listen, I have a little question for y'all, because I will say I have an affinity for hair for like anything. Would y'all be interested to see me cut my fiance's beard? Because I do. I cut his beard like every other week or so. Let me know if that's something y'all want to see. Anyways, gotta go. I'm running late. I'm going to go pick up Wendy. I'll have those hair shears linked down below. And if you're curious about this wash day, I'll have it down below for you too. Okay? Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.